Well, my tire is on the last video. I was trying to put some air in with this. I was showing you guys a new device I got. But for the front tire, I just added more of this white slime I bought. It's produced in Colorado. Yeah, made in Colorado. So I bought these people's thing. Anyways, I wanted to show you. This is pretty nifty. So once you turn it on, I thought my tire was gonna blow up, but this thing turns off automatically. I have it on bike settings, so it goes up to 33 psi, and once it hits that, it turns off. There we go. Started 5, 6. It goes up pretty quick enough. Better than my little hand pump. $29, $30, and just like that. That was pretty sketchy at first. I didn't know what could happen. I was holding my ears. I was afraid that thing would pop on my face. And I am indoors, so that would have echoed horribly. And yeah, I used to use this little thing. Not so great. Tells you the PSI right there. But it took forever. And like I said, getting flats all the time wasn't that convenient. I need something faster.